Hey Bobcats, today we are all going to be working on the same Google Slides document, so it's really important that you don't mess with anybody else's slides today, that you're only working on your slide. So let me kind of explain to you what we're doing. Today I am going to assign you a product, and you are going to find a persuasive advertisement that helps to sell that product and convince an audience that they need to purchase it. So you're not looking for videos today. You're only looking for print advertisements, so images. So you might do some Google searching today so that you can get some really good images for us. So first things first, I do have video instructions, which you're watching, and then you will be able to access your analysis chart, which you're going to be using to analyze your advertisement that you find. And then I also have the ethos, pathos, logos notes, as well as the fallacies notes on the second slide, because you're going to need to be using those as well, so you can make sure you're doing your analysis correctly. Now, next, I'm going to assign you a number, and the number that I assign you, once you click on that number, it will take you to your specific slide. Again, you are not to be on anybody else's slide today, just yours. So when you click on that slide, it's going to look something like this. So you will get this blank slide for you to insert your name, your class period, the title of your ad when you find your ad. But slide number 2, it says you need to find an ad about a toothbrush. So I've given you the product. Now you go and find the ad. So going back to this page, I have kind of done an example for you. So I'm going to go to my example. You can see that I have given you some instructions here. And then I've given you several examples. You are only going to be required to find one advertisement, but I went ahead and found 3 different ones so that you can see an example of what a logos, ethos, and pathos advertisement might look like. All right. So what I had to find an example of is an advertisement about shoes. So I found one that gives me lots of facts about these shoes that I'm going to buy. So that's logos. I found one that uses Cam Newton. He is an expert in athletic wear, athletic shoes. So that is ethos. And then the last one, whoops, I need to change that. I included pathos. This is a Tom's advertisement, and we all know that Tom's, they contribute shoes to people in need. And so that kind of tugs at your emotions. It says, our dreams is that someday all kids will have shoes. Oh, yes, I want all kids to have shoes. So I find my one ad. I'm going to take a screenshot of that ad, and then I'm going to drag my ad onto this slide. And that is all that I have to do for this part. So once I identify my ad, I have it on here, I am going to take a screenshot of my entire slide. So I'm going to go ahead and take that screenshot. Now it's going to go onto my desktop. Now that I have found that and I've completed my slide, I'm going to go back to my slide with my instructions and my links. And I'm going to go to my ad analysis chart, and I'm going to make a copy of my ad analysis chart. So for you, it's going to come up and say make a copy, and you're going to do that. All right, so now that I have made my copy, I am going to go ahead and start analyzing my advertisement. So I'm going to take my screenshot, and I'm going to drag it on to my document. And it's going to take just a second. There we go. So I then am going to make it a little bit smaller so that it fits right there. Now yours is going to be a little bit easier to read because again, you're only going to have one. Then you are going to look down in the chart and answer the questions that I've given you. So you're going to list all the facts in the ad, all the opinions and commonplace assertions in the ad as well. And then you'll go through and you'll answer the questions here that I have for you too. You'll do that by just clicking in the text boxes, and your answers will be right there. Then moving on to the second slide, you are going to talk to me about logos, pathos, ethos. I have given you some kind of notes right here, but again, you can go back to this slide and you can look at those other notes there as well. You're going to tell me which of these are present in your ad. Some of them are going to have all three. Some of them might have two. Some of your ads may only have one. Then you're going to explain how it's used and if that appeal is effective. The next thing that you're going to do is answer these questions here and then move on to your next chart. You are looking for logical fallacies. And again, if you need some help with logical fallacies, you can click on the notes that are on your original slide deck, and it will take you to the logical fallacies slide deck that we went over in class last week and then yesterday as well. So once you get this finished, you're going to go ahead and you'll submit this to me. Tomorrow, we are going to be analyzing each other's ads, and so that's where our main slide deck will come in. So tomorrow, we'll be able to gallery walk and look through everybody else's advertisements. So again, super important that you do not mess with any other slides, that you are just working on your own today. If you have any questions, let me know, and I am happy to help. Have a great day.